4 times daily. Keep smiling. Hi, these are my new teeth. I have small cavities. Still, I love my teeth. I will get them filled. Fruits and vegetables are friends to my teeth, but the junk food and sticky sweets hurt my teeth. So I will say no to sticky sweets and junk food. I will brush twice daily. So keep smiling, everyone. Bye bye. Hi, I have many teeth missing. My milk teeth is falling and I am getting my new permanent teeth. Many make fun of me. My dentist said that I am on my way in the ugly duckling stage. Soon will become the swan with the permanent teeth. Keep smiling. Hi all, did you see my previous picture with my brown color teeth? My dentist said that is no decay, but your teeth having less minerals. Now you can see my white perma teeth popping out. See here. Now I am so happy. Keep smiling. Hi guys, I have little tatter in my front teeth. My dentist said I need a mild scaling and then 2 times brushing daily. Keep smiling. Okay. Hi, I am Ria. Can you see the metal crown on my teeth? Why do I have it? As my cavity became deep, my dentist had to clean the infection and put the metal crown on my teeth. This crown protects my teeth, also prevents further damage to my teeth. I am happy with my new crown. Keep smiling. Hi all, we all play and playing is fun, but sometimes mishaps do happen. Most of the time our front teeth gets broken or bounces out when we hit hard. So what to do if you or your friend breaks your teeth? If it is a milk teeth, don't worry, just visit the dentist. If it is a permanent teeth, try to find the teeth or the broken part of the teeth that bounced out. Next, put your saliva in a cup and put the broken teeth in it and rush to the dentist within 20 to 45 minutes. Believe me, the dentist can put back your teeth in the place or attach the broken fragment to your teeth. Keep smiling.
Hey guys, so you can see my teeth in and out very clearly how they are. I always have a huge smile on my face, however. Once my dentist said to me that I have to put some wires to straighten them up, but I was like, why I need to straighten them? I love the way they are. But later she explained to me that the wires are not for beauty, but for having a cleaner and healthier teeth. So braces are not for beauty, but for healthy smiles. Keep smiling.
Hey guys, I have zero cavity, says my dentist. You don't need to worry, we all have our own traits. Okay, some have thin saliva as mine, which easily clears the teeth, and some have thick saliva, which retains the food materials and make or develop the cavity easier. There are simple few 3 steps to get rid of it. Goggle often, avoid sticky foods, brush twice a day. That's it. Keep smiling.
Hi children. So did you see what your friends told about taking care of the teeth and regarding the dental treatment and all? Okay. So I'm just showing you how the dental chair will look like and what are the parts of the dental chair. Are you ready to see? Okay. So let's begin. This is the dental chair on which you can just lie down and take the dental treatment. Okay. So this dental chair, here is where the doctor keeps the materials for your treatment. This is the tray. This, can you see that small mirror to see your small teeth? Okay. This is just a small pencil like thing to just mark where all the dirt is there. And one more interesting thing, this is the one which gives shower to your teeth. Do you want to see how it gives the shower? Okay, let you see. Can you see the shower? Okay, this is the tap which the dentist will shower and clean your teeth. It will just make some sound, that's it. And this is a Chota fan, okay? Air will just come out of it. Can you tell? Okay, ma'am. And the straw Lakshit, and the straw sound on suction part. Suction. Good. Hope you all enjoy the video. Take care of your teeth. Okay, bye.